How to create 500 KB PDF file. As you can see, I have this PDF that is 1.85 MB. Okay, I will make this under 500 KB. To do this, you just need to go to any browser, Chrome or Safari, and search here pdf.looney.tools. Search this. Okay, search it. You will see this website. Just click on this three lines and you will see optimize and extract section. You will see PDF to KB. Just click on this. Now scroll down. You will see choose file. Click on this. Now select your PDF. Click on target size. Now just click on this and select under 500 KB. Okay. Now click on compress. Now you can see our file is compressed under 500 KB. Okay, just click download here and you can see our file is compressed.